Across cultures, men guarded energy first. Samurai at dawn, Bedouins in the heat. Different languages, same truth. Protect the battery, then act. Most men think their problem is motivation, money, or discipline. But the real problem is simpler. You have no energy. When your energy is low, your brain slows, your discipline collapses, and your dreams stop moving. You're not broken. You're underpowered. Your brain runs on electrical rhythms. Align your inputs, sleep, light, food, and your signal strengthens. Misaligned inputs create static. The world tells you to push harder, to grind more. It rarely teaches how to refuel the engine. Until a man learns to guard his energy, nothing truly changes. Guard energy first. Results follow. Energy is a trust. This is not a lecture. It is a fact. It is a responsibility you carry every single day. Many faiths point to this truth. The Qur'an says, "Do not throw yourselves into destruction with your own hands." Not just grand acts of sacrifice, it's a quiet instruction for daily life. Your health, your strength, your vitality. It's a gift. You have a duty to protect them. Not guarding them is throwing part of yourself away. Sleeping well, eating good food. Move your body. Turn chores into duties. Self-care becomes a sacred obligation. Stop treating your body like a rental car. Treat it like a precious instrument for your purpose. Guarding energy is not selfish. It's the most responsible thing a man can do for himself, his family, and his community. Energy runs your life, the universe's prime currency. This isn't philosophy. It's biology, physics, first principles. The brain needs fuel. The body needs fuel. Inside each of your trillions of cells are tiny power plants called mitochondria. Their job is to create adenosine triphosphate, ATP. Think of ATP as your body's energy currency. Every movement you make, every thought you have, every beat of your heart costs ATP. The brain is energy hungry. Energy is never destroyed, only transferred. It uses about 20% of your oxygen and about 20% of your glucose to generate electrical impulses. Those impulses become your thoughts, decisions, and emotions. When oxygen or glucose is low or mitochondria underperform, your brain slows. You do not become dumb, you become slow. Processing speed drops. This is cognitive fatigue, a measurable physical state. Thoughts feel like mud. Reaction time lengthens. Simple decisions overwhelm. Not a moral failing, a low fuel signal. Like low power mode, non-essentials slow to preserve life support. Your brain speaks in rhythms, tunable signals. These neural oscillations shape your state and performance. Delta is for deep sleep and cellular repair. Theta aids creativity and memory encoding. Alpha provides calm focus, a doorway into flow. Beta is for active problem solving, but prolonged high beta leads to stress. And gamma creates brief bursts of insight. You can tune these frequencies. Morning light shifts you into beta. Slow exhales downshift into alpha. Dim lights in the evening protect your progression into sleep. Tune your inputs to tune your frequency. The power of energy isn't new age. It's a pillar of modern medicine. Clinicians use targeted energy every day to restore function. Controlled hyperthermia, carefully raising body temperature, can make cancer cells more sensitive to treatment and stimulate immune response. Phototherapy treats seasonal affective disorder and certain depressions, and helps specific sleep disorders by exposing you to specific light that influences melatonin and serotonin. Nerve stimulation with gentle currents can lift severe depression, manage chronic pain, and even improve movement in neurological conditions. Energy, controlled, directs systems. Infrared penetrates deep and increases circulation, stimulating mitochondria to make more ATP. More ATP fuels. Repair. Inflammation reduces. These are evidence-based practices. Living systems respond to energy inputs. When energized properly, repair accelerates. Your body absorbs, converts, and uses energy from heat, light, and electrical signals. Function returns sooner when the right energy is applied. You have accessible tools and simple natural inputs to influence your energy state. Across history, every culture learned to manage energy, not mysticism, method. They used breath like pranayama and qigong, heat and cold like saunas and sweat lodges, rhythm like drumming and chanting. These were protocols to steer the human battery. Modern tech echoes the same principle. Frequency guides function. Vagus nerve stimulation shifts you out of fight or flight. Red light pushes mitochondria to make more ATP. The point isn't gadgets, it's alignment. Use morning light to set your clock. Breathe nasally to drop stress. Protect sleep like it's a bank vault. Do what humans have always done, but with precision. Now consider the most fundamental source of energy on our planet, the sun. All life on Earth ultimately depends on its light. Plants, through photosynthesis, convert sunlight into chemical energy that moves up the chain, fueling us. Our connection to the sun is ancient and biological. Your body is designed to interact with sunlight, not as a luxury, but as critical input. UVB on skin triggers vitamin D, a potent steroid hormone influencing over 1,000 genes. Essential for immunity, bone health, and mood. Morning light signals your circadian rhythm, suppresses melatonin, boosts cortisol and serotonin. Live in darkness, and you lose more than a tan. You lose clarity, drive, and rhythm. Sleep-wake cycles disrupt. Fatigue rises. Mood suffers. The solution is simple and powerful. Step outside. Let sun touch your skin. Don't stare at the sun. Allow ambient morning light into your eyes. Your body remembers this signal. It tells every cell the day has begun. Time to be awake, alert, alive. This understanding of energy isn't confined to biology and medicine. Tesla said, if you want the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. He was right. Reality is patterned frequency. Your brain rides those rhythms. Thought is organized energy. Attention focuses the signal. Focused thought feels like attraction, shaping actions, networks, outcomes. Call it ATP, electricity, or focused thought, energy moves everything. Your phone turns voice into radio, racing near light speed. Think of it like a car. Discipline is the steering wheel. Goals are the destination. Energy, ATP, is the gas. Even the best driver cannot move an empty car. That Tate versus Chase fight sparked this video. Tate, a former world champion with years of experience, still couldn't defend against the younger current champion's pace. Fresher energy, faster recovery, quicker reactions. On that night, vitality outran experience. Real talk. That's the takeaway. Energy beats everything. Align your energy with intention. Fuel the body. Discipline the mind. This is how that lesson fits the whole